Whatever it is that you want to do, I can help you. Whatever it is that you want to do, if we can work together, this concept of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, that unity in diversity, meaning we all have our own unique stories, experiences, but at a fundamental level, we're all connected. At a fundamental level, we are the same. So the differences of the choices that we've made have given us different outcomes. And what we want to do is to create the opportunities for people to step in to become their bigger selves, the opportunities to enhance the life that they're living and those around them from the point of view of their community, or first their family, then first themselves, their family, their community, and the planet as a whole. So this is part of what we call this marching towards this. How can we impact the lives of 1 billion people in the next 50 years? And this is an intention. So it could even be a lot more than that. But the intention is that. So by giving each other, societies, communities, the opportunities, the skills, the fundamental network, pathway, but infrastructure, there it is, the infrastructure, mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually, to become their greater selves, then we have the biggest impact on the planet. And the way which I do that personally is through working with entrepreneurs, coaches, and leaders, which then by impacting them and giving them the skills and tools that they need, they in turn then go out and impact a lot more people because they have that reach through their business, through that platform, and also through supporting them to become public figures in media, by supporting them to become public figures in social media, in print, feature articles, tier 1, tier 2 publications. We mentioned some of them, Entrepreneur Inc., Forbes, and so on. Then this also gives that third party endorsement, that stamp of approval. But ultimately, it's about creating that platform for them to impact the largest amount of people possible. And that's part of what we're doing here. Yeah. Thank you.